What we're prepared to do with this car is completely tear it down, strip it down to everything, and do a bolts-off restoration with this project. Hi, I'm Keith Goldberg, General Manager for Rusnak Porsche Westlake, here in Thousand Oaks, California. Here to talk about this new project that we have coming around the corner. Porsche approached us and asked us to participate in their Classic Restoration Challenge. Last year we couldn't participate, but this year we're back and we're ready to roll. The 1980 Porsche 911 Targa SC. It's not just a regular Targa SC or 1980, it's actually a very special car because it comes from a very good friend of mine, Russell Libby, who has owned the car since 1982. The car was an original paint to sample car and has only 49,000 miles on it.
This is a Targa and it's a very special car. We intend to make it extra special. Hello, I'm Sam Abergel. I'm the Service and Parts Director here at Rusnak Porsche Westlake. Keith gave you a little bit, but I'm going to give you a little more detail. This project is the first complete restoration that our shop has had the privilege of doing. The gentleman that's working on the car, at least doing the bulk of it, is Mark Leach. He's over 30 years here at our dealership, and he primarily works on nothing but classic cars. We do a lot of classic cars here, but not one quite like this yet.
We're not ready to give out too many details about this project, but what I can tell you is the theme is old meets new. We have a special concept that we're going to bring to you and hopefully strengthen our chances to win the competition. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge for us because we're on a really short time frame to get the project completed. We only have 6 months to finish the project from start to finish. But what's unique about it is we're in construction now building our new Porsche facility here in Thousand Oaks. The contest end date is July 31st, and that's when the new dealership is supposed to be built. So in August, we will have a new dealership and a brand new Targa to show you all.
We intend to take it up to Monterey, which is where the contest will be judged. It'll be brand new when we're done.
Like us on social media at Porsche Westlake. When you see the car online, don't forget to share. Use hashtag oldmeetsnew.
It's going to be exciting. Look out for our events. They're coming.